Mouse here.
And Kylie Coughlin here.
And it's time for another exciting episode of the Dear Mousie Mouse Show, where we share emails from kids like you who need help solving real-life problems. Kylie, you have today's email printout. Why don't you read it aloud for our audience?
Okay. Today's email is from a kid in Buffalo, New York, who writes, Dear Mousie Mouse, I have a problem, and I hope you can help me. I'm afraid of this kid on the playground. This kid is older than I am, and bigger too. He teases me and calls me mean names. The other day, when we were in line for the slide, our grown-ups weren't looking, and he shoved me. I don't want to tell on him because the other kids might call me a baby tattletale. What should I do? Signed, Afraid to Play.
Dear Afraid to Play, I am sorry to learn about your problem, but you came to the right place for help. Can you believe the exact same thing happened to me?
It did?
Oh yeah, a kid at my playground was mean to me too. But before I could get even with him, he moved away.
Mousie, getting even is never the answer.
It's not?
No, it just makes things worse. The only person you should ever get even with is someone who has been kind to you.
Well then, what should Afraid to Play do, Kylie?
Well, Afraid to Play could tell a trusted adult about it.
Aw, but then Afraid would be a baby tattletale.
Well, I don't think so. Sometimes it's important to ask a grown-up for help, especially if you're afraid. Afraid could also just ask the bigger kid to be nicer to him.
Yeah, right, Kylie. Like that's going to work to ask that kid to be nicer.
Well, why don't we ask our friends out there for some help? I bet they have some good ideas.
Now you're talking, Kylie. Okay, kids, what do you think Afraid to Play should do? Should Afraid ask a grown-up for help? If so, why?
Or should Afraid ask the bigger kid to be nicer to him? If so, why?
Maybe you have some different ideas we haven't thought of yet. Be sure to record them and share.
Thanks for joining us today on the Dear Mousie Mouse Show. We had fun, but now it's time for us to say goodbye.
So until next time, remember,
Kindness counts.